Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Nora.
And my name is Francie. It's an amazing day to be a Panther.
Students, are you in need of community service hours? Well, listen up. Here's a way to earn community service hours and have some fun. The second annual Jan Spectacular at Veterans Memorial Park needs volunteers to help with their event.
The Jan Spectacular is a free family-friendly Halloween-themed event open to the public. They will need help with setup, breakdown, and help with running booths and activities. Event setup is 11 a.m. and breakdown of the event begins at 7 p.m.
For more information or if you are interested, text or call the number 321-312-9131.
Panthers, another volunteer opportunity is at Elite Fitness Center on October 28th. They are having a huge trunk or treat from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m.
There will be food, games, candy, and music. They need 4 or 5 students to help will give community service hours. If you're interested, you can see Coach Kinzel in room 6217.
Cross Country is having a spirit night at Long Doggers on October 23rd. 10% of the sales will go to Heritage High Cross Country team because they are in need of new supplies for the team at the events.
Please come out and support your Panthers and have a great meal.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!